Hey guys, Qwebb here. I just wanted to quickly talk about this scalp trade idea that I had. I forgot to record like an intro, so this is the intro for the video right now. I will begin the video and enjoy the breakdown, recap, summary, etc., etc. Thanks guys, see ya. Just wanted to quickly walk you through my thought process and today's setup and trade. So I have this is QQQ chart. This is the 15-minute opening range, which is the first 15-minute candle, top and bottom, 5, 10, 15. So this is called the 15-minute range. And what you'd like to see is which side is going to break. If it breaks up, that's strong. If it breaks down, that's weak. This candle tried and it got rejected immediately back down. So this is like a fake breakout, not good. That's your first sign of like bad price action. We came down. This was a strong break beneath, came back to retest it and got continuation down. So that's a sign of weakness and bearish vibe for the day. And my mindset here is let the drop happen, let the damage happen, wait to identify something. So this is at 7:05 a.m. now. Waiting for any kind of buyers, waiting for support to form, and we get a first one here. Buyers tried to step in and buy it up, got rejected randomly here, back down. So this is the beginning of a trend line that I was able to start marking. Trend line forms. Let's wait for the next interaction. Next interaction, we touch it, reject. Now this trend line is more valid. We're getting tested and we're getting rejected. We're interacting with it and we're getting rejected. So it's being respected. It's becoming more real. It's becoming more valid. And then I drew this support zone. And how I get this is from this wick here. This wick I'm ignoring because it's a bullshit news candle. I'm not gonna acknowledge it. I'm going to acknowledge this wick here because this was after the news and then what happened next. So this is a support zone. The wick came down here, buyers step in and push it back up. So the sellers could not get it to go below here. This is where buyers are active, bought it back up. So that means if we come back down here again and we break underneath, then we have broken the bottom of where the buyers are active, and that's another sign of weakness down. So let's go to my channel and kind of talk this out play by play. QQQ looks more interesting here. And I said that because of this support zone kind of holding and basing and attempting to touch the trend line, not getting a strong rejection, just kind of a down rejection to the support zone. QQQ looks more interesting here. It looks like we are trying to build structure. If we lose this structure, the idea gets invalidated quickly. Here's an update, and this is when I drew that zone. We are hanging in there. SPY is ugly, I'm not interested in that chart. So full focus on QQ. VWAP is gonna be the target. So that's gonna be, if we get this break, VWAP is the next point of interest. We have clear skies ahead. I need my trendline interaction still. Support zone is holding, interaction is soon. So that means that we gotta push, and I say interaction soon when we're about to touch the trend line. Then here's an update. Interaction soon, we get the break above, come back down to retest. This is that 1 minute, this is the 5 minute to 1 minute, touch the trend line, get your entry, and then go. I'm only looking for target 1, and there's a reason for that I'll tell you about later, but I was only looking for target 1. I said here, ugly top wick, not good. Ugly top wick, that means the bears stepped in and pushed it back down. And I identify why later is because of this right here. This is a wall that I did not have on my chart. So we got there, and then the bears were still active and stepped in and pushed it back down. Watch out for this recent wall, I did not add it. And then I point at it here and I say this explains that ugly top wick earlier. Right here, right here. Next thing you know, target 1 hits. So we still came back to retest again, and then we got a nice rocket back up to target 1 VWAP. That's it, that's all I wanted. And here's the reason. I don't like this tariff talk that's on Twitter right now. That's why I only wanted target 1. When there's talk of tariffs in the news, you get ugly, strong reactions up and down. What I call violence. The market is being very violent, volatile. You're getting nasty moves up and nasty moves down. Beautiful. So we hit target 1 and I exited. 5-minute update. We hit it. Some good news probably came out, and some bad news probably came out. And this is the violence I was referring to. Again, I only wanted that first target. Twitter news and tariff talk is stupid and causes violence. Here's the last chart update for a bit, proving my thesis. Nasty, nasty back down. Bad news came out, I'm sure. I don't want to participate in that. I don't want to be a part of that. That's how you get massive losses, and I don't want that. Violence.